east now. Hang on. Correction, we're heading back east. About 7400 east, 31st. Wings driving under control. Speed's about 40.
Turn your radio up a little bit, will you?
We'll be heading east across Memorial. Speed's still about 140.
Just threw something out. Just threw something out.
Hey, he threw something out just past the intersection of
Memorial
and 31st.
It's gonna be on south side by the bushes.
It's gonna be on the south side by the bushes. Still going about 40 miles an hour east on 81st. Speed still about 45.
Do you advise tag doesn't check to the vehicle also?
And the tag does not check to the vehicle. We're 8800 east 31st. Needed somebody to go back to that intersection Memorial, just about 100 yards from the intersection east, take through something.
So what kind of cars are you following?
Maroon Suburban.
All 59 behind me.
It's light, and we're heading
93rd, I believe.
south of 93rd.
Here we go, here we go, here we go.
He's going to an apartment complex. I don't know what this one's called.
He's gonna bail, he's gonna bail. Get on the ground! Get on the fucking ground! Roll over! Roll over! Roll over! You got the car? Get your fucking hands behind your back right now!
I got you. I'm with you. Listen, step out.
Could have fucking hurt somebody doing that shit. What's the matter with you?
Step out. Everything in your hand, I don't care. Don't drop down, do something
Don't do something stupid!
Step out.
Stop! Get back
What'd you
up.
throw out back there? What'd you throw out back there?
I just threw some weed out.
Roll over. Is that a hot box?
No, it's mine.
It's yours?
Yes. I got the title. My grandma bought it for me. The title to it's in there.
Roll up. Stand up. Stand up.
What's your problem, man?
He said he threw out weed, so we need somebody to go recover that.